Today we're going to show you how to do a repair on a Powerstroke PS803155E pressure washer, rated at 3100 psi with a Yamaha engine. We've tested this pressure washer already and we have no pressure. Now, the easiest way to repair this particular pressure washer is two ways. Replace the entire pump or just replace the pump head assembly, which has all the critical parts already in it. And that's what we're going to do. Here's the pump head we're going to replace it with. It comes with 3 new bolts. They have some Loctite sealant already on the threads to hold it in place. Okay. Now we're going to tilt the pressure washer back. It helps to have an assistant with this because you don't want to tilt the pressure washer completely on its side. You don't want fuel dripping out of the fuel tank or the carburetor. So now we're going to loosen the 3 Allen bolts so we can drop off the complete pump head. Now sometimes when you remove the head, the brass retainers, the seals, and sometimes the stainless steel washer can stay up here or get transferred down here. So as you can see up here, we've got a damaged seal that was in there and an O-ring. So we've got those parts off. We're going to put the stainless steel part back up here. You'll also notice there's a small O-ring in the center here, which came from this location right here. Our new pump has that O-ring right there. You want to make sure that you don't lose that part. If that part is missing when the pump head is installed, you will leak profusely and you will not have good pressure. So I'm going to remove this O-ring. Set the old one aside. I've got 3 pistons. All of them feel like they're in good shape. There's no scratches. Before we install the head, your head is complete with the brass retainers, the water seals, internally the check valves, the manifold assembly, chemical injector, unloader valve assembly, outlet connector for your high pressure hose, and your garden hose connection with your inlet filter. Now the pump head is installed. We're going to hook it up to water and we'll give it a test. As you can see in the video, we're hitting about 2,800 psi, trapping pretty close to 4,000. We're going to adjust that back down so our trapping is closer to 3,500 psi. The head pressure, which we can't put a gauge in there, would probably read the 3,100 psi, which would match the sticker on the cart. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.